Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by once again. My name is Kenny and I talk about everything natural hair with a little bit of spices here and there. If you are new to this channel, you are welcome. Please hit the subscribe button to join the family. If you're an old subby, oh my god, thank you so much for coming back. I love you. So today in this video we're talking about cloves. How can cloves benefit your hair? Why should you use clove in your natural hair, right? So before I get right into the making of this clove water, what are the benefits of cloves? Cloves contain high level of antioxidants and nutrients that can add to the growth and the strength of your hair. It contains vitamin A, vitamin C and vitamin K, and they can also be used for protecting the scalp from dandruff, which is also a major cause of weak and thin hair. Cloves also contain anti-inflammatory agents which helps in hair thickening. So if you want to get your hair fuller, you want to get your hair thickened, if you want to get a healthy hair, then you should try cloves. Now I'm going to be taking us on two different methods we can extract our clove water from this clove. And the first method is the fermenting method, right? The fermenting method is very simple, but it will just take time. So the two methods is just something you have to think about, which one should I go for. So this fermenting method just entails you pouring the cloves, it doesn't have to be too much, into this jar of water, then leave it in, just close it, make sure it is in a cool and dry place, leave it for 2 or 3 days and you see the effect. The clove would ferment and the water will extract the clove nutrients. Do you get? So that's for the fermenting method. But if you want to do a quicker method, I mean you don't have time, you want to just use these treatments once and for all, you can do the boiling method, which entails you pouring the cloves into a boiling water, leaving it for like 10 to 15 minutes, and when you see that the water is turning to golden brown, you know that your clove water is ready, and that is all you need. Get it off the stove, let it cool down for another 10 minutes and strain it out, guys. Strain it out. Mind you, when I was straining mine out, I used this big strainer and it didn't work for me. I don't know, it didn't work for me because underneath the water, underneath my clove water, I was seeing particles and I have a very thick hair. So if I apply this directly to my hair, I mean getting it out is going to be a disaster. So what I did was I took a pair of stocking and I poured the water into the stocking so that it could extract all the shaft that I will not be needing. So if you have a pair of stocking or you have a wig cap or any cheesecloth that you can use to extract the shaft you will not be needing, please do that so that your hair will be free from things like this. These are the things that you don't want to see on your hair, because getting it out might not be possible. I mean, it will just be on your hair and it can even cause more harm than good, right? So you want to get all of this out. So after you've done that, you have a clean and neat clove water. So I poured it into my applicator bottle because it's time to apply it to my hair. Guys, I'm on a protective style. If you watch my last video, the link will be somewhere up. If you have not seen it, please click on it and watch it. It's a very interesting vlog. I talked about the sexy African thread and how I went to a natural salon for the first time and the result was amazing. Anyways, guys, remember the shaft we got out from the boiling method? We are not going to be disposing that just yet. We are going to be pouring it into the fermenting container, the one we are using for the fermenting method, because there's still some nutrients inside that clove. You know, we just extracted it because we wanted to rush the process. So I'm pouring the shaft back into this one. I'm going to leave it for 2 or 3 days. So guys, if you are doing any of the method or you are doing both, this can as well work for you. So that's it. So I'm going to be showing you how the clove water fermented over 2 days. I'm going to show you. So this is me in the bedroom. I was trying to apply the treatment to my scalp. So basically what you are doing is apply the treatment to your scalp, give your scalp a very good massage, extend the treatment to your hair, put it to the root of your hair, to the strands of your hair, let it enter into your hair, and that's all you need to do. So but then it's left to you to wash it out or to leave it in. On this particular day I left mine in because I don't see the need to wash it out. So but if you are not comfortable with leaving this on your hair, you can just cover it up for 20 to 30 minutes and you can rinse off if you want that. But for me on this particular day, there was no point rinsing it off. I was very comfortable with it. Anyway guys, this is the fermenting method I promised to show you guys. This is after 2 days of fermenting the clove water. I'm going to be using this also, and I feel like it's still going to give me the same amount of nutrients that the first one gave me. So let me know in the comment section which you'll be trying. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.